Yo, this that 2015 flow, Crazy Kelly, here I go. This that sinister flow. Yo. My flow's off the chain, I'm insane. I swear to God I ain't got no brain. My flow get that AK and I just start to spray. Fuck the police like NWA. Come get a producer like Dr. Dre. I need to get a deal, I'm already signed to one. That's Boss Money Records. I got diamonds in my ears, gold on my neck. I'm the boss, boy, I demand my respect. Hater, stop playing, I'm on a chase to get a milk bone. I'm on the top like I'm in the universe. I'm not from this universe, Holmes. Shit, I'm a space alien, I'm different. None of these rappers on my level. Not even Lantana can spit like this. Eric Barnum, your rap is shit. Yo, my flow is contagious, it's spreading like a virus. I'm a freak like goddamn Miley Cyrus. So what? You gonna say shit about me? I just circle up and rap circles around these rap opponents. I'm sicker than Michael Myers, you better notice. I'm rap's #1 supplier. I spit that fire flow like I'm on fire. Man, I spaz out like Taz, I go like my mom. I'm the outcome of a schizophrenic bitch that just wanna stab a bitch in the knife with a cunt and do it and slap her at the fuck. I don't give a fuck, I ain't never gave a fuck. You know what I mean? I don't give a fuck, so I gotta say it. I'm riding in my Cadillac, it's all tinted. I'm in it to win it, you better get on my level. You know what I mean, and I'm demented, nobody intended. Flow so cold, bitch, I'm a boss. I had to get my point across. I'm spinning faster than Twister. I gotta get it, I gotta roll up the reefer so I can calm down. I'm smoking loud, I'm up in the clouds, hater. Yo, this a freestyle, I turn so wild. Hater, you already know what I gotta say. I never shut down, I'm more turned up than motherfucking surround sound. Damn, I'm the man in my city. Who the F is fucking with me? All this flow is so good, I swear to God I ain't from the hood, I'm from the country. But shit, I moved to Westchester, and now I'm repping that 513, you better get it. I'm never gonna stop, I gotta get it. I got a bad bitch, she in the D1 soccer league, and she kicking the ball. That's Ohio State. I'm crazy, I ain't got no mental state. Yo, I need to get bucks, I'm riding in a Dodge truck. I gotta get this money like Donald Trump. I spaz like Taz, I'm like my motherfucking mother. That drug addict, that bitch, I fucking hate her, I never loved her. You know what I gotta say? Yo, you try to spaz, I get an AK and I spray. I swear to God, I need another producer. I'm not a loser, I'm a microphone abuser. I just blow up like dynamite, I'm white, I'm a ghost. And guess what, I just killed it, now damn. I blow off the mic and I just do it because I'm Crazy Kelly. I'm taking over the flow. And I don't need a beat, I just keep on going. Fuck a beat, I'm just living my dream. I'm sitting on 100,000. And I'm never gonna stop like a motherfucking beanbag couch. These haters talking shit because they ain't on my level. I sold my soul to the devil, but fuck it, I'ma get it back because the Ouija board can't take me back. I'm strapped with an Uzi, I'm about to make a murder movie. Come on, boy, you wanna bully me some more? What grade are we in? We all grown up, boy. Now you don't even wanna battle the king? I don't even give a damn. It's Crazy Kelly, boy, and I'm supreme.